Hey, welcome to Easy Computer Fixes, and today we're going to talk about a problem that's pretty common. I see this all the time on my clients' computers. Call me up, say, hey, the PC doesn't start, nothing's happening, I don't know what to do. Well, the first thing is, if it's a laptop, well, you probably have this little power adapter that comes with it. So the first thing you should do is make sure that you're plugged into a wall socket that gives power. Make sure that if you are plugged in, try it at another outlet. People don't try it and say, well, you know, it's been there and it's working for years, I don't know why I should change. Yes, you do, because there are some sockets that sometimes develop problems, especially if you have cheap power bars. And basically, I've actually found surprising, I would say it's pretty surprising that just changing socket will do something. Another thing you want to do is sometimes you need to unplug your computer because the power adapter might actually reset itself, and if a power adapter is in reset mode, you have to unplug it from the wall socket before it's going to start. So that's one of the first things you should do. The second thing you should check is for this little wire here. There's always a little connection. So when you're with your power adapter, this wire here can actually come loose. So if it does, it's gonna, you know, it's not gonna be able to give power correctly. So make sure that this is snugly, firmly fit into the adapter itself. So because by moving around, you actually could loosen up this wire quite easily. If it's a tower, like this one for example, one of the first things that you'll want to check is at the back of your PC. There's a power supply, and you see here, this is the wire that actually attaches to your computer. Make sure that it's well seated in. Make sure that your power adapter, power bar is okay, like this one. Change socket, same thing as the laptop. And if it doesn't work, take the power off. So unplug from the socket, wait for 10 or 15 seconds, plug it back in. That could be also because the power supply inside your computer is in reset mode, and if it is, then by unplugging and plugging it back, it might fix your computer problems. And it's a common problem. It can happen after a power outage, for example, so be careful with that. It can also happen after a thunderstorm. There's a power surge. Power supplies tend to kind of shut down to protect your computer from any problems. So make sure that you've checked all of that. It's very, very important. And of course, your ears and your eyes are very important. Does the computer make a sound, or it doesn't make a sound at all? If it does make a sound, it might not mean that it's totally dead. Maybe the power supply is okay. And if all fails, well, you can call a tech guy. One of the first things that probably one of the most common problems, if nothing of what I just said works, is that the power supply, which is the little box here at the top, will sometimes blow up, and you'll have to change it. And it's not a complicated thing to do, but it's probably best to let a real computer tech guy play with that. So make sure that you know what you're doing if you put your hands in your computer. So these are quick common tips and tricks in case your computer doesn't start up and doesn't do anything. One little note about laptops: if your laptop just turns on and shuts off in a second or two, very often is because the power adapter is not giving any power to the computer. And so it might be a faulty adapter, or like I said, unplug it and plug it back. Make sure also that all the wires that go into the adapter are firmly in their plugs to make power. But it could be also a faulty power adapter. That is always a possibility. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed these videos of easy computer fixes, and if you have any comments, questions, let us know. And maybe you'd like to have you have a problem and you'd like to have a video on how to fix it, let us know. We'll try to put a video online, and you'll be helping others at the same time. And hope you come back to Easy Computer Fixes. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.